Under the patio. Y'all see it falling? Under the patio. That's the whole thing. Look at this stuff falling. I'll see. We here in the deep south of Louisiana are completely unprepared for this type of weather. I mean, this is not something we see once in a year, let alone twice, and with a third and a fourth event on the way. This is quite unusual for us. It's beautiful. I love it, but it is so cold. Oh my goodness. And I've heard news reports that it has been colder here in the deep south of Louisiana than in places like Anchorage, Alaska, Billings, Montana. This is crazy, and this wind is so disrespectful, guys. The wind chill is like sub-zero temps. As you can see, my tracks have not hit the ground because the ice and snow is packed so deeply. So, yeah. Yes, you guys. Yep. Second snowfall of the year. How about that? I can hear, sounds like somebody's on three-wheelers. Remember, we're out in the boonies. So I don't think anyone's been down our street since sometime yesterday. It's not like the snow we got a few weeks ago, back in January. Yeah, the roads weren't even covered. And by noon, the snow was gone. You guys, the sun was so beautiful the next day, I had to get out and get some pictures. Beautiful! Alright. Next one. Oh, and it is so bright, guys. So bright. Good morning, everybody. Honeys, it is a winter wonderland out here still. This is day 2. We have a lot of nice undisturbed snow that I am playing with. Let me let you guys see. Letting my dog go out for a walk. I can kind of now see where my driveway begins and ends now, because the snow is kind of melting some. But we have snow in the forecast starting tonight. Snow and sleet. So, what we can see. Feels good now. You can come out and play in it today. Couldn't play in the snow yesterday. It was way too cold. It is better. And it's actually about 25 degrees right now, I think. So that's good. We might, as long as the sun's out, we'll probably get up above freezing today, which is cool. But the roads are still pretty bad. I'm gonna let you see down my street.
what the roads look like. Walk out here to the main road, just see what the driving conditions feel like. It's still pretty cold because once that wind gets to blowing, woo, yeah, cold, cold, cold. My dog was like, I am a summer dog. I'm a southern dog rather, and I don't fool with the snow and this ice. But you guys, it was colder here in the Gulf, near the Gulf of Mexico. It was colder here than in Billings, Montana, than in Anchorage, Alaska. But I mean, I ain't saying it's climate change or not, but really, honestly, I can remember back when I was about in the 6th grade, so I may have been about 11 or 12, so we're talking 40 years ago. We did have an ice storm, snowstorm like this. It started off as an ice storm and then from there to a snowstorm. So yeah, I do remember that. I think I'm gonna go take a few photos if I can. Okay. Hey, Deal. Hey, bud. Hello guys, how are you all doing on this very, 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 very chilly day? Oh, it is freezing. I am trying a little something different with my camera, so you guys let me know how you like the quality of this video. I hope it's okay. But anyway, I am going to do a quick little unboxing. I have my February Boxy Charm box. So yeah, let's see what we got. So I'm gonna open it up. Let's see. So it has, of course, the Boxy Charm logo inside. And let's talk about what we got, huh? Okay, so I gotta put my glasses on so I can see. Of course, it comes with the little card, the Boxy Charm card, and it tells you on the back everything that's in the box. So let's just look at the items. And remember, the Boxy Charm is, I think, $25 a month. I just have the regular box. I don't have like the premium and the luxe and all of that. So I just have the regular box. So $25 a month. So let's see what I got. First, I have the Ace Beaute Nostalgia Palette. And this is the Nostalgia Palette consists of 15 colors meant to inspire fun and creativity, as well as make you feel nostalgic about some awesome past fun times. Each color has been carefully milled and pressed to provide the easiest application and the most excellent color payoff. And the manufacturer's suggested retail price is $38.99. I'll put all that stuff on the screen. But this is what the palette looks like. It comes in a box like this, and on the back, oh, it says it's a cruelty-free product. So I'm happy about that. And have you guys ever noticed this little thing on the back? That tells you how long you have from opening the item that the item is still good. And so this says 12M, and that means 12 months. So from 12 months for a year, this is still pretty good. You know, if you think about expiration dates for makeup, that's what that is. But anyway, this is what the box looks like. Let's see if we can get it out of this box. Okay, so it's a pretty green palette. Let's see. Oh, wow. Look at these colors, guys. Whoa. Pretty bright. You know, I did a different makeup look. Hold on. I got a FaceTime. My daughter is FaceTiming me. Hi. I am recording. Oh, hey, baby. Oh, what's wrong with that baby? Hey, buddy. What's the matter, man? Oops, sorry about that. Got a FaceTime from my daughter and grandson. Oh, glasses leave those little dark spots right there. But anyway, back to the palette. These are some beautiful colors. They're very bright. As you all saw in my little thing, I don't do a lot of shadows. They are super bright, but these are beautiful. I'm sure they make some really lovely colors, especially like this color here, this gold, even that orange. Oh, some beautiful colors. So that's the Ace Beauty palette, the Nostalgia palette. Alrighty, let's move on to the next. Let's see, next in the box we have, put my glasses on, we have the Lavido Age Away Hydrating Cream. This moisturizer is clinically proven to reduce fine lines and wrinkles and improve skin texture. A high concentration of plant actives, including an antioxidant-rich sea buckthorn and evening primrose seed oil, also rich in fatty acids, promotes cellular regeneration to restore elasticity and firmness. The manufacturer's suggested retail price is $55, and that is this product here. It is 50 milliliters for dry, mature skin, and I have what I consider mature skin. I'm 50 years old, so yeah. And this is the cream here. Age Away Hydrating Cream. Let's see. Might as well go ahead and let you all get my first reactions to it. It's kind of a yellow color. Did you see that? It's a yellow color. It feels really soft and luxurious. No scent, which is what I love. I just put it on my hand. It feels really soft and luxurious. So, Lavido Age Away Hydrating Cream, inspired by nature. So, yeah, looking forward to using that as well. Next, we have the Wonder Beauty Double Date Lip and Cheek. And that is this item here. And the suggested retail price is $22. And this is, it says, get ready to take your lips and cheeks on a double date. This lightweight duo pairs a sheer tint with a universal balm and can be used alone or layered on lips and cheeks. The sheer tint blends effortlessly onto skin, while the clear shimmer...
I didn't get that. Could you try again?
Siri, nobody's talking to you. Okay, anyway, where was I? Okay, the sheer tint blends effortlessly onto skin.
I didn't.
All right, take 5,080. The sheer tint blends effortlessly onto skin, while the clear shimmer-free balm provides comfortable hydration and glow. So let's open up this item here. Alrighty, so this is what you have in the Wonder Beauty Double Date Lip and Cheek. So on the top, you have this really sheer pink cheek color. And then under the bottom, you have this lip balm that can be worn alone or over top of some other lipstick or underneath your favorite. Like I think it would do great like under a liquid lipstick that can tend to be drying. Both can be paired with something. So I will likely put this in the giveaway that's coming up. So this will definitely be in the giveaway. That's that. Next we have the Hanskin Hyaluron Skin Essence. Developed by the inventors of Beaute's first BB cream, this hydrating essence helps you achieve glass skin with sodium hyaluronate, a powerful moisturizer capable of holding up to 1,000 times its weight in water. This cushiony, non-sticky formula instantly quenches and restores your skin's natural glow. I'm all about the natural glow. So that is this product. It's a full-size product. So that's what the top of that looks like. Let's see what this. Okay. And this is that product. And let's see, how do you use this? You are going to use it after washing your face, and you're gonna dispense into your palm and gently apply on the face in the direction of skin texture. I don't know what that means, but let's see. I don't smell anything. I'm gonna take this little thing off. See if it has a fragrance. No fragrance. It's like just a liquid, but it has no fragrance. It's like water. I don't know. What did I say the suggested retail price? $46 for this. Okay. I'll try that out, see how that works. And the last item is the St. Luxe Beauty Limited Edition Liner Duo. This lip liner duo makes lip shaping easier than ever. With a creamy, long-lasting, and hydrating formula, the liner smoothly glides onto lips and blends with little to no effort. Achieve a fuller look by overlining lips just above the natural lip line to get a plump, kissable look. You know, I've showed you how I kind of overline my lips in when I did this look, and actually when I did the first review of the Gucci makeup. But anyway, this is the St. Luxe Lip Duo, and it has two pencils and that are almost the same color. What are the colors? One is in the color Love Letter. This is Love Letter. I'll put it here so you can kind of see it. That's Love Letter. I don't know, can you see it? And the other color, which is a little bit darker, is Secret Admirer. And that's that color. Okay. Secret Admirer. So, those are the items. That's the St. Luxe Lip Duo, and that's all the items that I got in my BoxyCharm box. I am not upset about it. I like it. I think these are some good items. I'll use or give away all of them. And speaking of a giveaway, let's talk about that. Okay, my phone is going off. I'm going to have dings and dongs all throughout this video. Anyway, let's talk about the giveaway. So you guys know my birthday is coming up next month. If you didn't know, well, it is. Next month, March 14th, I will be celebrating my 51st birthday. And I always try to do something, even if it's just having photos done or something for my birthday. So this year, I'm going to do a giveaway for my birthday. But the thing is, it's a 200 subscriber giveaway. Let's get to 200 subscribers, and I'm going to give away some wonderful gifts. It may be some of items from some of my BoxyCharm boxes. It may be items that I have received. But it's going to be great. It's going to be new. It's going to be wonderful. So it is for 200 subscribers. Once we reach 200 subscribers, I will give away some wonderful items. Now, to enter the giveaway, you must, starting from not this video, but the next video, and I'll put some type of a title or something on the video to let you know that the contest is starting. From that video through March 14th, which is my birthday, you have to like the videos, comment on the videos, and share the videos. Those 3 things. Follow me on Instagram at drjjack1908, and make sure that you do those 3 things. Okay, the contest will run from February the 21st through March 14th. March 14th is my birthday. And so what you'll need to do is help me get to 200 subscribers. And it'll be a drawing very similar to what we did when we reached 100 subscribers. So every video from February 21st to March 14th is included in the giveaway. So you need to like that video and leave me a comment on that video. And also share on your Instagram pages one of my posts. My posts will be either a story or actual post on IG, on Instagram. So share that for an extra entry into the giveaway. And once we reach 200, which I'm hoping we get there by March 14th, we will have a great giveaway. So yeah, do those things. Like the videos, comment, and share on the videos from February 21st through March 14th. And for an extra bonus entry, like and share a post or a story to your IG page. My Instagram handle is drjjack1908. Keep that in mind. So yeah, the giveaway items are going to be great. It may be something I've received in a BoxyCharm box. It may be a whole BoxyCharm box. It may be some items that I've received. Hey, it may be a gift card, who knows? If we get to 200, there will be 2 winners. If we go beyond 200 subscribers, there will be 3. So there will be an additional winner for every 25 over 200. So if I get 225 subscribers between now and my birthday, there will be 3 winners. 250 subscribers, 4 winners. 275, 5 winners. So the more subscribers, the greater the chance you have to win the giveaway. And we'll do it just like before. As I said, we'll put your names on a wheel, we'll spin that wheel, and we will announce the winners on March 14th, well, March 15th. Yeah, because it ends on March 14th at midnight. So on March 15th, I'll announce the winners. So guys, I hope you enjoy participating in this giveaway. And if you are here for the first time, I want to say welcome and thank you. Number 1, thank you for watching my video. Thank you all for watching my videos and for supporting me. I appreciate you so much. Before you go, please, if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel. Like this video, leave me a comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you'll be notified each and every time I upload a new video. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Stay warm if you are a part of this crazy cold weather. Stay warm, stay safe, and I will see you guys soon. Bye-bye.